Good morning. Namaskar, everyone. Namaskar. Good morning, बच्चा. Namaskar, everyone. Hello, Arna. Divyanshu. Namaskar. How are you? Fine. नमस्कार नमस्कार वो 2-3 टाइम बोलना पड़ेगा. नमस्कार नमस्कार है ना. How do you all? I'm fine, thank you. Did you enjoy Sunday? Did you enjoy Sunday? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. And finished your breakfast and milk. Did you finish your breakfast and milk? Yes. Very good. Okay. So let us start our today's session by prayer to God. Okay, everyone. So for the prayer, how to sit? Sit straight. Join your hands, close your eyes, sit straight, and today we have to speak Mahamrutyun mantra. Okay? And the Gujarati calendar according which month is going on? Yes, very good. Sawan month, right? And which god we have to worship in the Sawan month? Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva. आज उपवास है. किसका उपवास है? भव्य एंड धार्मिक का. ओके, वेरी गुड. शंकरा, भोलेनाथ, उमापति महादेव, महादेव, कैलाशपति. यस, शंकर भगवान के बहुत सारे नाम है. एंड वी हैव टू वर्शिप टू गॉड शिवा, डिफरेंट नेम, राइट? Okay, everyone. So join your hands, close your eyes. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukmeva Bandhanam Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukmeva Bandhanat Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukmeva Bandhanat Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your hands, children. And keep it on your eyes. Apply on your face. And slowly, slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? How do you feel? Feeling fresh? Okay, very good. So show me your thumb. Yes, very good. And now I'll take your attendance. So today in the attendance, we already revised our all the topic, most probably 1 to 100 numbers, after, before, between, missing, and then number name, and also smallest number and biggest number. So today we are going to revise our spelling of the circle. Okay, today you have to write there, instead of yes ma'am, you have to write there spelling of the circle. Okay, everyone. So are you all ready? Are you all ready? आरना अर्थ बंशल, भव्य फलादिया, धार्मिक फलादिया, दिया देत्रोजा, पूर्व देत्रोजा, Yan Trambadia, Dibyanshu. Spelling of the circle, you have to mention that spelling of the circle, and you can put also object, no problem. Okay. Dibyanshu, Dhyan Trambadia, where is Dhyan Jakashanya? Jaiveer Singh, Jairis, Kashundra Mohan, Kittirit Singh, Mahia, Manjit. मैम who is the NEET? 2-3 दिन से मैं पूछ रही हूँ लास्ट कि जो यहाँ पर नीट लिखा है वहाँ पर बच्चे का नाम प्लीज मेंशन कीजिए. आई डिडेंट रिमेम्बर एवरी डे. ओके, so please parents mention your kids name instead of other name. Manjit, Moksha, Param, Purva Detroja, Diya Detroja, Ruhi, Sampurna, Shriya, Vihan Singh Dodia and Vihan Dekiwadia. Vihan Dekiwadia, if you are there, please write down in the chat box spelling of the circle. Yes, Param, Bhavya, Dharmik, Mahia, Manjit, very good everyone. Kashundra Mon, yes, Jaiveer, very good. Dhyan Trambadia, Dibyanshu, Arna, Bhavya and Dharmik, or very good. No, beta. Between number 9, spelling of the circle. Ruhi, Kirtiraj, very good. Sampurna, Bhavya, Moksha, Vihansi Dodia. Yes, Vihansi. Beta, you can't send any of the emojis in the chat box. You have to write there only your answer. Yes, Riya, very good, beta. Okay, everyone. So, without wasting our time, we have to going to our today's topic. What did learn in our previous session? What we did in our previous session? Can anyone tell me? Fast. Yes, comparison. Comparison with how many sign in the comparison? How many sign in the comparison? Yes, very good. In the 3. Yes. Which one? Greater than. Yes, now I'll then show. See everyone, this is a sign of the greater than. This is a sign of the greater than. This is a sign of the less than. And this is a sign of the is equal. And crocodile always open their mouth toward the more food, more object, more things. So how crocodile open their mouth? Show it to me everyone. Show it to me fast. Yes, very good. देखो ये क्रोकोडाइल किसके पास आया? मोक्षा के पास. मोक्षा, क्रोकोडाइल आपके पास आ रहा है. Yes, अभी दिव्यांशु. Yes, very good. How will open crocodile their mouth? Yes, very good, Divyanshu. Crocodile open their mouth always at the big object, big food, big thing. Okay, everyone. Remaining students, please show me your crocodile style. Crocodile कैसे करता है? और बेटा जिसका आ गया है ना वो बंद कर दीजिए, ऑफ कर दीजिए आपका कैमरा. देव्यांशु, मोक्षा, will you please turn off your camera? So, remaining student can show me their activity. Okay? Like this. This is a sign of the greater than, this is a sign of the less than, and this is a sign of the equal. Okay? So first I will do small activity. Okay, everyone? Okay, please collect things available at your home. Please collect any of the things available at your home for this small activity. Are you all ready? Are you all ready, everyone? Okay, here I put on this table some crayons, and then we have to give them two names, group A and group B. Okay, everyone, please see properly and comparison both parts, group A and group B. So first let's see, count. Group A has how many crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4. And group B has how many crayons? 2. 1 and 2. So which group has a more crayon? Let's compare which group has a more crayon. And crocodile always open their mouth toward the big object, toward the more food, more object. Yes, very good. Group A has more crayon, so that's why we have to put it here, sign of the greater than, sign of the greater than. Okay, everyone, now let's see the next. In the second row, as group A has a 4 crayon, 1, 2, 3, 4. So which group has value more object? Let me know it fast. Yes, group B has it, right? So we have to put the sign here less than. And one more thing, in this corner we have to see about the less object. This end corner, sign का end का corner है, हमेशा वो less thing के बाजू में होता है, right? And crocodile always open their mouth at the more object, more food. So crocodile always open their mouth, yes, more object, right? So we have to put here this sign. And at the third one is, let's see, group A has two crayon and group B has again 2 crayon. Now crocodile was confused, which side I'm going. Now crocodile was confused. So at that time we have to put the sign of the equal, sign of the equal. क्योंकि crocodile को तो दोनों साइड से सेम उन लोगों को ऑब्जेक्ट मिला. Group A has also 2 crayon and group B has also 2 crayon. And now at that time crocodile was confused. Now which side I'm going and which side food I'll eat, right? So at that time we have to put it here, sign of the equal, sign of the equal. So this is a sign of the greater than, less than and equal to. So I hope, do you understood this topic with the different sign, greater than, less than and equal to. And the maths language is called the greater than, and it's called the less than, and it's called the sign of the equal to. Okay, everyone? So are you ready for the class work? Did you having any of the problem, you faced any of the confused, please let me know, kid. Without any hesitation you can talk to with us, no problem. Parents, please, did you having any problem with this concept? Parents, did you having any problem regarding this topic? फिर ऐसा ना हो कि टॉपिक चला जाए और आए नहीं. No? Wow, very good. Clap for everyone. Clap for yourself. Okay. Thank you. So let us move on to our classwork part. So take out your worksheet, pencil, eraser and two more things. We can't forget your beautiful smile and fresh mind. So keep smiling and start your classwork. Page number 28. Take out page number 28. Done, everyone? Done, everyone? Shall we start or not? Done? Okay, thank you. And each and every student should give me answer throughout the chat box. It is the compulsory for the everyone, right? मैं सबका नाम लेकर नहीं बोलूँगी कि ये बाकी है, अभी आंसर देने में ये बाकी है. And do activity for the every topic and please click its picture and send it to me. And you can do every subject also. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको खाली मैथ्स में ही करना है, रिमेनिंग सब्जेक्ट में भी आपको एक्टिविटी करनी है. एंड नाउ पेरेंट्स प्लीज थोड़ा बहुत जब मैम पूछते हैं बच्चों को तब उसको अपने हिसाब से आंसर देने की ट्राई करने दीजिए. ओके, एवरी टाइम यू कांट गिव देम आंसर, क्योंकि बच्चे मुझे आंसर नहीं देंगे कि हाउ वी आई नो कि बच्चे को कितना आया. Okay, so first on the top mention the CW. After that, yesterday was which festival we have to celebrate? Which festival celebrate the yesterday? Please tell me no. Let me know, kids. Yes, 15th August. 15th August. Yes, Independence Day. Yes. After the 15th, which number will come? After the 15, which number will come? Yes, very good everyone. Clap for yourself everyone. Good try. So 16. So 16 August 2021 and which day is today? Which day is today? Yesterday was Sunday. So after the Sunday, which day will come? Yes, Monday, Monday. And Monday is the, yes, Monday is the third day of the week. Am I right? Monday is the third day of the week. Am I right? No. So first day. Very good. Clap for yourself everyone. Very nice. So Monday is the first day of the week and let's try to read our heading. Already you learned the spelling of the circle. Okay, let's try to read this heading. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle, circle. This is the spelling of the circle. Circle the correct, correct यानी सही वाला. Right कौन सा है? Circle the correct sign. आपको first of all you choose the correct sign and then you have to circle it. Yes, very good. Dibyanshu, Manjit, Arth, Dibyanshu, very good everyone for your correct answer. Let's see the first box. Okay. Group A has only one object and group B has two objects. So, which is the which side has a more object? Group B or group A? So crocodile will open their mouth towards the big object, more food. So which sign is the correct for this? Which sign for the correct? Yes, very good. So let's circle on it. Okay, and we have to say like this also. कि group A has a less thing comparatively group B. Right? यहाँ पर हम ग्रुप का नाम दे दिया है ताकि आपको बोलने में इजी वे हो जाए. राइट? बिकॉज यहाँ पर नंबर हम लोगों ने इंडिकेट नहीं की है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू गिव देयर नेम ग्रुप A and group B. Okay, everyone? Yes. Last one. Very good. Let's go ahead. Okay, everyone. See the next box. In the first box says how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, and the second has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So crocodile, which side crocodile open their mouth? Yes, because group A has less object comparatively group B. Group B. So let's circle on it this time. Now see the next one. Everyone do by own self without helping your parents. क्योंकि अभी आप बिग गर्ल एंड बिग बॉय हो गए हो. सारे बच्चे अपने आप करेंगे. ओके? Everyone do with me or not? Okay, thank you parents. Thank you for cooperate with us. Thank you for cooperation with us. Okay, now let's go to the next. The first has the 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cone? 5 cone. And second has the only one cone. So, but of course we have to put which sign here? Yes, very good. Group A has more object comparatively group B. So we have to put it here, sign of the greater than. Greater than. This is sign of the greater than, this is a sign of the less than, and this is the equal to. Okay everyone? Let's see the next. The first has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, very good. Very good. So, we have to circle on the sign of greater than. Okay everyone, let's see the next. Oh my God, here is some confused because crocodile wants it always the big thing, more food. Now here is both are similar. So now crocodile was confused. Which side I am going right now? Which side food I am eating first? And then at that time we have to put the sign of the equal. जब दोनों बॉक्स में जब दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट, जब दोनों थिंग्स, दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट, दोनों नंबर सिमिलर आए तब हम वहां पर इक्वल टू की साइन रखेंगे. इक्वल टू की साइन रखेंगे. Okay everyone, now let's see the next. Okay, now the first has a 3 object and second has a 1. So which side we have to prefer here? Same is equal to which sign is we prefer here? But of course, which sign is this? Greater than. So let's circle on it. Again, both objects are similar and crocodile will be confused. Now, at that time we have to put the sign of the equal. Equal. Let's circle on it. And the next is again. Both are the similar objects. So, let's circle on it. Equal. Yes, very good, Jaiveer. Kittiraj, Arth, Rohi, Jayvisri, Dhyan Trambadiya. Where is Dhyan Jakashaniya? Moksha, Rohi. Where is Krishiv Jhalaria? Krishiv, are you there? Krishiv, if you are there, please write down in the chat box. Krishiv, if you are there, please write down in the chat box. Krishiv Patel. Krishiv Patel, are you able to hear my voice? Okay, let's circle on it. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. So this is your today's class work in page number 28. Page number 28. This is your today's class work. Did you having any of the problem? Please let me know. अभी भी आपको कुछ भी इसमें प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो तो प्लीज मुझे बता दीजिए. Done. Very good. And today's your homework is in page number 29 in the worksheet. Page number 29 in the worksheet. HW, circle the correct sign. Circle the correct sign. Okay, everyone? Done? Okay. Now, show it to me your class work. Show it to me your class work. And your activity also. Wow, very good. Very good. Very good. Divyanshu, very nice. Remaining students, very good, bacha. Please click this picture and send it to me. Wow, very good, Divyanshu. Another student. Yes, Mahia, show me your classwork and activity also. Jaivir, yes ma'am. But आप कैमरा ओपन करोगे, सॉरी ऑन करोगे तभी मैं देख पाऊंगी मैम. दिव्यांशु, विल यू प्लीज टर्न ऑफ योर कैमरा बेटा, आपका टर्न हो गया है. यस मोक्षा, वेरी गुड बच्चा. मोक्षा, शो मी योर एक्टिविटी. मोक्षा, एक्टिविटी भी दिखाओ बच्चा. ओके, आफ्टरनून कर लेना. ओके, आफ्टरनून एक्टिविटी करके मुझे उसका पिक दिखाना. ओके बेटा. ओके, नाउ पूर्व दिया, विहान सिंह डोडिया, मंजीत, हैटी, माहिया, वेर आर यू ऑल? Yes, Maya, show it to me. And each and every student should be do your activity. Okay, okay. No, मन काशुंद्रा मन आपका भी नहीं दिख रहा है बेटा मुझे. Sorry for that. I can't see your class work, बच्चा. Okay, everyone. It's okay, no problem. Now I'll ask. Arna, where is Arna? Arna, are you there? Arna, can you able to hear my voice?
Yes, yes.
Arna, my voice. Okay, Arna, just let me know. Arna, number 5 and number 8. उसमें से कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है? Which is the biggest number from the number 5 and 8? कौन सा नंबर बिगेस्ट है? 8. ओके, तो 8 है तो अभी 8 के सामने हम कौन सी साइन रखेगी? ग्रेटर देन की या लेस देन की? Which sign we have? Arre, wow, very good. Clap for Arna, everyone. Big clap for you, Arna. Very nice. और Arna मुझे साइन दिखाओ. ग्रेटर देन और ऐसे लेस देन करके दिखाओ बेटा. हाँ, वो कौन सी हुई? बोलो बोलो. लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन और इज इक्वल. वेरी गुड बच्चा. लव यू. वेरी नाइस. ओके, नाउ थैंक यू बेटा. हाँ बेटा, इक्वल टू मैम ने देख लिया. थैंक यू. नाउ लेट अस टेक द टर्न. अनदर स्टूडेंट. Arna, thank you. Will you please turn off your camera? Thank you, Babu. Arth Bansal, Bhavya and Dharmi. And Arna, please mute by oneself. Arna, mute by oneself. आप अपने हिसाब से म्यूट हो जाओ बेटा. अर्थ बंसल, भव्या एंड धार्मिक. Please unmute by oneself. Unmute by oneself. Okay. Now tell me which number is the biggest from number 15 and 11. Which number is the biggest from the number 15 and 11?
बिगेस्ट है 15 बिगेस्ट है या 11 बिगेस्ट है? कौन सा बड़ा होता है? हाँ, तो मैडम को बोलिए 15.
ओके, नंबर 15. ओके, तो नंबर 15 बिगेस्ट है. इट्स ओके. तो कौन सी साइन आएगी? हम कौन सी साइन रखेंगे? Which sign we have to put toward the greater than number? Big number toward the big number. कौन सी साइन हम रखेंगे?
ओपन.
यस, क्रोकोडाइल अपना माउथ, जो भी नंबर बिग हो उसके सामने क्रोकोडाइल अपना माउथ ओपन करता है. राइट. तो कौन सा हुआ? कौन सी साइन हुई? ग्रेटर देन. विच साइन?
करके दिखाओ.
ग्रेटर देन. ओके, थैंक यू. Now Dhyan Trambadiya and Divyanshu Pradhan. Dhyan Trambadiya and Divyanshu Pradhan, both are you able to hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay, thank you beta. Now let me know. I put 2 crayons, both sides. So which sign we have to put it here?
Equal.
Yes, very good. Clap for yourself. Now at that time crocodile was confused and we have to put here sign of the equal. Okay, and this is the sign of the equal. Okay everyone, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome bacha. Now next one is Cherish Divani and Jaiveer Singh. Cherish Divani and Jaiveer Singh and Kirti Raj. To hear my voice.
એ માસનું રિઝલ્ટ આપણું ફેશિયલ કરતા વધારે પછી એમાં લગાવતા નથી ને તો એવું
Okay, now let me know which sign we have to put it here. Which sign we have to put it here?
અમે બનાવવાનું હા
Yes,
એને બોલવા માટે ટ્રબલ થઈ
greater than. Yes, very good. Very good. Very. We have to put here sign of the greater than because more objects comparatively group E. Okay, everyone have to see a sign of the greater than. Okay, everyone. I hope you understood very well this topic.
તમારા વિડીયો કોલ કરજો ને કેમ કે મેં ભૂલ કરી એટલે તમારું
That comparison.
મારે મને નતો ખબર રાખીને કાંઈ જ નહીં.
So now time to leave. We will meet our next session. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning, stay home, stay happy. Namaskar, and do activity for the every subject and take a picture and send it to me. Bye. Namaskar. Have a nice day. Love you all. Welcome, Bachcha. Welcome everyone. Bye bye.